Hello and welcome back to Gabe in the Kitchen. Today we're making a funfetti cake. For this recipe, you're gonna need wowza. So I should mention, this cake is gonna be a lot of ingredients and it's gonna be annoying as hell, but it's actually an easy recipe. All you gotta do is break everything down and do it bit by bit. Okay, so we're gonna start with a mixture of oil, sugar, and our butter. We're just gonna whisk this together. I put this together earlier, it's its own ingredients, and it looks like the sugar has soaked up the oil. So we'll see how that turns out. Let's do it. So you want this at a low medium. And we're just gonna go till we get a nice fluffy mix. And get your oven preheating to 160 Celsius. If you have a fan oven. If you don't have a fan oven, it's 180. Don't forget to periodically scrape down the sides. Make sure everything is evenly incorporated. I probably should have mentioned, you're gonna need 4 8-inch tins. I'll put it at the start of the video. You wanna grease and you wanna line them with grease proof at the bottom. 4 of these. They need to be at least 4 centimeters high. Right, so now we've got a nice fluffy mixture. We're gonna add our egg whites. Now you wanna do this in batches, small batches, low speed to mix this in. Make sure you get it all mixed in before you do the next part. Now you want to add your vanilla and about half our buttermilk. This is the milk and vinegar mixture that we made earlier. So you want to put about half of it in there, and then low, medium to low speed. We're gonna go again. Now at this point you want to add half of your dry mix. And from now on we're going to be using this to fold everything in. And then in with the other half of your buttermilk. Yeah, this is a big batch. It's gonna make a big cake. Of course, feel free to halve this and make half the cake. You can see the end results on the thumbnail. You can make literally half the height with half the ingredients and you're good to go. With the icing, I go with 25% less of the ingredients, the volume that you see on the ingredients list. And then you should be good if you have your ingredients. And then in with another batch, I'm gonna go about 1/8 because I've got a really big batch here. So I'm gonna do it a bit at a time. I'm getting clumps, you see. And then you need to add your sprinkles. Give that a mix. And the sprinkles bleed, so you need to be careful. You need to be quick, rather. Okay, so now let's attempt to split this entire mixture amongst our 4. give them a tap to help flatten them. Now, when you're putting these in, make sure you stagger them. You don't want them to be like directly on top of each other. So 2 towards the back, 2 towards the front, like so. 160 degrees C for 30 minutes. Okay, so it's been 30 minutes. I've done my toothpick test. Came out nice and dry. And let them cool in the tins, but I prefer to let them cool upside down on my cooling rack. Just like that. We'll let them cool completely and we'll make our buttercream frosting. This is definitely the easiest part. Get your icing sugar in there, get your butter in there. Now remember, this is to cover the size of the cake that we've made. Reduce it by 25% if you're only making 2 layers of cake and you intend to slice it in half, whatever the plan is. If you're only making half the recipe, divide this by 25%. And then you wanna add your cream. And then you wanna add your vanilla. Turn it on to medium. Whoa. We'll start off slow and then we'll go quicker. It's worth mentioning, this will split if any of your ingredients are a little bit too cold. If that's the case, don't worry, just heat it up a little bit on the bain-marie and it will come right back together. And there you have it. Beautifully done and ready for our cakes. It's not overly sweet. It is the perfect balance, not too sickly. Beautiful. You're gonna love it. All right, we've lost the sun, but it's okay. We're just gonna turn over our cakes. I have turned them over. I'm gonna turn them over again and I'm just gonna peel them away. And yes, we are gonna trim these cakes. Make a little divot in the middle for your jam. Now the jam is completely optional. You don't have to add it. So after the gradient, as you can see, just made us a nice little cutout of a cross. I don't know why we didn't record this. Stuck that on, sprinkled, and now we have kind of a silhouette of a cross. So now it's more of a christening cake.
Hey.
Could be better, but it looks decent. Now, we just need to do something to go around the sides and then we are finished. So now we're going to attempt, what did you call it?
I don't know, like a scallopy thing.
A scallop.
That's nice.
She called it a scallop. See, I did say to Jess, you do this yourself. She said, No, I don't feel comfortable doing this.
I said I don't trust myself. I don't want to mess up your cake.
And I guess I'll mess it up myself then, huh? And there you have it, guys. My Funfetti made christening and birthday cake all in one. What do you think? Let me know down in the comments below if you think this screams christening and birthday. And let me know if you're going to give it a go. Let me know how it goes for you. Tag us on Instagram if you're having a go. Let's see your design, guys. Please leave a comment and don't forget to subscribe if you like the video. There's more of this to come. Thank you so much for watching and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.